Hello guys, how are you doing? This is David from Best Cars for Sales in Kenya Limited. We are a reliable car importation expert. We import on behalf of our clients premium high-grade cars from Japan. In this video, I want to talk about a small car that Kenyans have loved and have fallen in love with it. It is the Toyota Axio new model. Hii gari, it was first manufactured in 2006 in Japan, na the previous version ndio inaitago the Corolla NZE. Most of the Kenyans bought that car na wameikatalia sana. But today in this video, I'm bringing good news that you can as well purchase the Toyota Axio, this new model. Now the features that are in the NZE, you will also find them in the new shape model. What you need to know about this car is, one, it gives you fuel efficiency and a low maintenance cost. Hii ni gari most of the mechanics wanaielewa, wameiunda for quite a long time. It's been in the Kenyan market for a very lengthy period of time, and ni gari wezi go wrong nayo. It gives you consumption of at least 16.4 thereabout kilometers per liter in terms of consumption. Na kawe ni driver mfiti, it can take you to almost 17-18 kilometers per liter. The hybrid version of it gives you at least 25 kilometers per liter. That's good news. And you need to buy this car with the current economic times you're facing, even across the world. The engine comes with a 1.5 four-cylinder engine that produces 110 HP. Kuna ya 1300cc which produces 103, na pia kuna ya 1800cc yenye ina produce much more power. This engine is mated to a continuous variable transmission, the CVT. The Toyota Axio is equipped with a range of safety features, one being the anti-lock brakes, two being the stability controls, the traction controls, and a suite of airbags. It is designed to give you comfortable rides. Toyota Axio new model, it is available in 3 trim levels, the S, the X, and the G. The S being the standard, whereas the X and the G offering additional upgrades and features. The Toyota Axio ina compete closely from Mitsubishi, kuna Mitsubishi Lancer, kwa Honda Grace, but in this video nataka kucompare sana na the Honda Grace kwa sababu both ziko na the hybrid version of them, na zote zinatumia the 1500cc or rather the 1.5 liter, na pia interior na exterior ziko similar in terms of the legroom, the boot, ziko the same. Most of the Kenyans wananunua the Toyota Axio, and there are some of pricing utapata the range ni the same. It's their reliability, they are both reliable in the Kenyan market. Utapata most of spare parts utazipata hapa Kenya, from the Honda and again from the Toyota. The Honda Grace inatumia the VTEC technology, whereas the Toyota Axio inatumia the VVTI. It is commonly na mechanics wengi wanaipenda sana, and this ndio inafanya most of the Kenyans wana opt kwenda for the Toyota Axio more than the Honda Grace. Alafu kuna watu wengi sana hawaja come to familiarity with the Honda Grace. But these cars, they are similar, they are efficient, na ni gari pia, you can never go wrong with them. And again, at Best Cars for Sales in Kenya, we can import either of them efficiently and easily. Talk to us at Best Cars for Sales in Kenya Limited, and we will help you import these cars for you. You will save up to 20% instead of buying locally. Why buy locally? And Best Cars are here for you. Call this number below or send us an email via the email below on the screen, and we will be glad to import these beautiful cars for you. That is it, guys, from me to you. Till next time, peace.